papag. Viva for... Ah! Shucks.
Sabi na kalimutan. Sarili na lang ang inasikaso.
Mami, Viva bag lang sinabi ko. Ah! Manila
May isa ka pa nakalimutan.
Parang, Viva bag lang. Kasi, I minimize my, what I'm going. I'm thinking ahead about that.
What? It's okay. Diba okay naman yung buhok na, Daddy?
Oh!
I don't even know what that means.
It's okay. But it's okay. It's just,
looks nice.
who?
Because
Chelsea?
slick
Of
back.
course, Chelsea's hair is
Chelsea's slick
the
back looks nice.
the
Mine,
best.
I look like I'm so weird.
Because you know why? Chelsea's hair is... She's trying to comb it right now. I don't know why I don't like combing. In Philippines, people are getting combed. They hair every time.
May getting home.
Yeah. Right? My English no good. Pwede na. Shift ka na. Mabagal eh. Gulo mo ah. Tayo naman na shift eh. Shift tayo.
Sinundan mo pa talaga siya. Pwede ka naman. May kapagkwentuhan eh.
Oo. Kapag kwentuhan siya. It's easy to fall in love. I'm just not so numb. Oh! How come? Na iba.
Sino bang kakatapos na?
Yun nasa harap.
Ay kasi wala. May tawag na yan.
Paikot na pabalik. Pumunta tayong greenhouse today. Right?
Yeah.
Then, tayo na. Pabalik nga. Reverse siya, mami. Diba?
Hindi. Pagkatapos naman talaga nito tayo na. Kamukan.
Napaisip ka. Ba't napaisip ka? Pero minsan nag-ano yung doon sa kabila, yung sa kanan. Lagi siyang nagdadalawa siya. Katatapos na lang mag-ano ulit siya. Pag umaga, nagugulat ako, di ba? Kadarating lang namin. Nag-green na, no? Tapos nag-red. Nalihinto kami. Di, yung pangalawa, yung sa harap. Tapos siya na naman ulit. Sabi ko, ayos to. Diba?
Just
Really? Stop talking like Chelsea.
because I'm taking a picture of Chelsea. I want her to
Take
just
picture. Take picture of her. She's so pretty and ano.
Just you're so pretty. Come take picture with me.
Yeah, like that.
You can also wear the other skirt, Hailey, next time.
I don't know where that shirt is.
Because I don't know. Puro I don't know, Daddy, damit lang.
Yeah, you don't. Mom, English.
Tough,
So our
Chelsea.
televiewers can.
So tough.
Who?
Chelsea.
Scaring me as this.
What
I
the?
don't know. It's a nonchalant.
Nandiyan lang.
Where is my jeans skirt? I've been looking.
Nandiyan lang.
I will look today. You're so nonchalant, Chelsea. Nonchalant.
Mommy, you're covering the camera.
Ay, sorry.
Oh, I didn't know.
Eat fruits, girls.
Wow, you brought
Yeah. Strawberries, apples,
ako yung the apples.
and the
I'm
cucumber.
looking for a
know?
chance.
Tell
Did
us.
you know, Mommy?
Ah.
Like, when you cut apples, they turn brown
Yeah.
because,
They oxidize.
yes, I forgot why.
Potatoes oxidize
Yeah.
through air. That's why you need to soak them in water. Come on, Ailey. That's basic biology.
That's why I'm saying, did you know? Because if you didn't know, that's
I
what it's
didn't
saying.
know. I know. Oh, come on. We're not going to make it. We're not going to make it. We're not going to make it. No, we're not. Because the interval from the next car is so far. So the sensor would...
Akala nakikipagkwentuhan kasi.
Hindi. Ano ka, maghahabulin mo yon?
Yeah.
Mami,
It
no.
tastes like
Don't
cucumber.
abuse the car on like for that instance.
Mommy, the apples taste like what I taste when the cucumber and apple get mixed together.
Nag-uusap kami. So what? Kung nga kumakain ka lang dyan.
Hmm.
Nakakasira yun. Yung mga salita mo gano'n.
Joke lang, Daddy.
No, hindi ka nagjo-joke.
Magang umaga.
Ikaw ang umagang-umaga. Nagsasalita ka ng gano'n. Ang ganda-ganda ng vibes namin. Nag-usap yun eh. So sad, Chelsea. So sad.
Why? What did I do?
Not you. Mommy.
Okay, I'm not going to do it.
Huh?
We are detoxifying our body.
Kulang na sa daan ang Dubai.
Oo naman.
Tulad na ito.
Dati mga normal na car lang. Ngayon may mga ang dami-daming Chinese car.
Ang dami tayo. Yeah.
So dumoble, di ba?
Kaya, ayun, for sure natin. Kaya lang ang Fortuner kasi para siyang tataob eh, no? Hindi ka tulad ng mga Prado na talagang mintindig niya. Dahan-dahan kumain kayo ng fruits para maklans yung ano na.
Ang asim ng strawberry.
Yan ang dapat dinadala. Dapat may strawberry na. Sige, mag-sponsor tayo pag may pera tayo. Next week.
Matatagalan pa yung Daddy.
Next week. Ikaw, negative na naman tayo. Matatagalan. Nakakuha na nga ako ng pang-ano natin ngayon eh. Oo. Dapat wag kang ano. You have to be positive.
Walang kumakain, ako lang.
That's good.
It's long lasting the menthol Hailey, ah.
Which menthol?
Yung lipstick niya. Can I have it?
Yeah.
No, can I have it? Forever.
It's from H&M. Everything
Wow.
her mom buys is from H&M. That's how I know.
Our mom is just like, you know, she's.
That does.
But how do you know?
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows that.
No. I think I'm Nobody knows.
Eat the apple.
Then,
Daddy, wanna eat the apple?
No. Thank you. Just like the banana, Hailey. Once you like cut the banana, it will turn dark.
Which
It
of
will
those
oxidize.
vegetables don't turn black, Daddy?
Turn black?
Black, yeah. Don't turn dark. I think most of them. Fruits and veggies. Only,
No, blueberry
Okay.
doesn't.
yeah, the citrus fruits. Right? Why the citrus fruits don't turn
Because
black,
the starch on it.
Daddy? There's a starch?
Yeah, like the potato, the starch on it oxidized, like the apple. Oxidation. It's basic biology that, you know. When you listen, you would absorb it. Okay?
Eat, I said. It's not about one, Haley. Okay, then it's a full.
Did you know that Pakistanis, like Indians, when they're traveling,
They
they're
what?
listen kasi, they're bringing cucumber bites like when they're on the road.
The Pakistani.
And the Indians, like, for snack.
Why?
I don't know. I saw them eating like that.
Most of them.
Yeah.
Why strawberries?
Because they were taken
Early.
early. Then some colors them, some like it is like it is not taken as it should be. Right? Because come on. Because they're going to be traveling, a long way. The strawberry came from where? Huh?
I don't know that. On the ground.
No, which country? Because have you experienced it? Like when you went to Baguio and you buy strawberry,
Hindi pa.
and then when you go home, the strawberry is already crushed.
Rotten.
Not rotten, like smashed already. Like,
By what?
huh? By the traveling, by the, shaking, like, because you pick it up ripe. No, not like, it's like green. It's just like strawberry already, like that. So when you travel home, it's like jam. It's like crushed. That's it. Oh no!
Ano naman?
My card!
Uy, bakit ganyan? Sa kabila.
Alin?
Traffic pa sa kabila.
Tingnan mo.
Kaya ba?
Baka may banggaan.
Collision.
Collision course. Yeah, may ambulance eh. O may nag-jogging. Sila siya. Road under repair.
Naiwan din ng ang dali, ang pop nasa harap ng TV.
Hindi, naka-adjust din Hindi, konti lang nang bibili sa greenhouse. Anyway, may food pa naman dyan. Pwede naman ako bukas mamalik. Importante. Hindi ko masalat sa ko eh.
Ako naman kumain ng baong ko.
Oh! Gawa na yun kung saan to. Baka pinabay-bay yung bansa. Why so quiet, Chelsea? May tablet ba si Chelsea? Mami?
I don't know.
Hailey, may tablet si Chelsea? Ha?
I think so.
Sasagot lang ng yes or no, I think so pa.
Look at her.
Yeah.
Oh. Get the tablet, Mommy. No tablet in the church. You're not going to listen to the church, eh. You're just going to play the tablet there, eh. Dadalawa lang alak kayo ni Hopi.
Yeah, it's only two of you, right?
And
Poppy and
sister, and then gusto niyo na naman na baban, eh. Di pa sumasagot, ha? Kung may tablet o wala, ha? Parang hindi naiintindihan, ha? Tutok ka. Parang may ubusan ka ng paano?
Ubusan siya ng parking lot.
Hindi lang
Let him
kalsada.
understand.
Do you want to take the risk? Ha?
No, Daddy. Just, dito na lang.
Wait lang.
Kasi mga araw na doon mamaya sa bungan. May meron pala
Ayun
doon,
na.
Daddy.
Nakasunod siya, eh. Ayun po, meron po.
Kaya happy ko yun nga, Daddy.
Saan?
Ayan, ang dami dyan, no?
Gulo mo, eh.
Kaso, maaraw na pa dyan, mama. Huwag dyan sa pagitna kasi maaraw.
Ayoko nga doon sa gitna. Gagalusan. Pa araw-araw lang. Winter naman ngayon. Masyado kang sa araw. Takot na takot ka sa araw. Nung bata ka nga. Naglalaro ka sa init ng araw.
Of course, Daddy, because I'm still a kid.